Are you applying for many jobs but not getting interview calls? The problem may not always be your qualification or skills. It could be your resume. A resume is often the first impression you make on an employer, but many people make simple mistakes using the wrong format, writing unnecessary information, or sending the same resume for every job. So, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional resume even if you are a fresher and don't have much work experience. So, let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Minds. On the channel, we share job updates, career guidance, work from home opportunities, interview calls, and useful information to help you grow professionally. So, if you're searching for a job or want to improve your career, and make sure you subscribe to Career Minds. Now, let's understand how to create a resume that looks professional and clearly presents your qualifications and skill. First, let us understand what a resume actually is. A resume is a short professional document that introduces you to an employer. It usually includes your contact information, educational skills, work experience, projects, or achievement, relative certifications. Think of your resume as your professional introduction on paper. An employer may receive many applications for one job. Your resume should therefore be clear, easy to read, and relevant to the position you are applying for. You don't need a resume with too many colors, decorations, or unnecessary information. A simple and professional resume is often the best choice. The first step is choosing the right format. For most freshers and beginners, use a simple and clean one-page resume when possible. Choose a readable font, clear headings, proper spacing, simple formatting, consistent font size. Please avoid too many colors, difficult to read fonts, too many graphics, spelling mistakes, unnecessary personal information. Remember, your resume should be easy to scan quickly. At the top of your resume, write your full name clearly. Below it, include relevant contact details such as phone numbers, professional email address, city, and state. If appropriate, your LinkedIn profile or portfolio if it is required. One important tip, use a professional email address. Avoid email IDs that look unprofessional or childish. Your email should clearly include your name. After your contact details, you can write a short professional summary or career objective. The section should tell the employer who are you, what skills do you have, what type of opportunity are you looking for. Example, for a fresher, motivated and detail oriented graduate with strong communication and computer skills, seeking an opportunity to begin a professional career and contribute to organizational goals while developing new skills. Don't simply copy the same objective from the internet. Try to customize it according to the job. For example, if you're applying for a customer support job, mention communication and customer service skills. If you're applying for a teaching job, mention teaching, communication, and subject knowledge. This makes your resume more relevant. Next comes your education section. Write your most recent qualification first. You can include degree or qualification, school or college name, year of completion, percentage, or CGPA if useful. For example, Bachelor of Commerce, ABC College 2025, CGPA 8.2. Then include your previous qualification if relevant. Keep this section clean and easy to understand. The skill sections is extremely important, but remember, never add skills that you don't actually have. Instead, include genuine skills relevant to the job. For example, for customer support, communication skills, basic computer knowledge, email communication, problem solving, MS Office. And for teaching, you can include subject knowledge, classroom communication, lesson planning, presentation skills, For office job, you can include Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, data entry, email communication, organization skills. The key is simple. Read the job description and include genuine relevant skills that match your actual abilities. Many freshers have one major question: I don't have work experience. What should I do? Don't worry. Even without a full time job, you may have valuable experience through your college projects, internships, volunteer work, certification, academic achievements, relevant practical activities. For example, project customer service survey project conducted a survey to understand customer preferences, collected and organized responses, prepared a presentation based on the findings. Notice something important here. Instead of simply writing, did a college project, explain what you actually did and what skills you used. If you already have work experience, list your most recent job first. Include job title, company name, employment period, main responsibilities. For example, customer support executive, XYZ company, June 2024 to March 2026. Responded to customer queries, assisted customers through calls and emails, maintained accurate records, worked with the team to resolve customer issues. Use simple and clear language. Focus on your actual responsibilities and achievements. Next, add certification and courses. If you have completed useful courses, add them to your resume. For example, computer course, communication courses, digital marketing courses, teaching certification, Excel or MS Office training. But don't add every certificate you have ever received. Choose certificates that are relevant to the job you are applying for. Then, now let's talk about some important and common mistakes that we all do. Spelling and grammar errors. Always check your resume before sending it. A small spelling mistake can create a poor first impression. Sending the same resume for every job, different jobs require different skills. Try to customize your resume according to the job description. Writing false information. Never mention qualification, experiences, or skills that you don't actually have. Employers may verify important information. Making the resume too long for many freshers, a clear and concise resume is actually better than several pages of unnecessary information. Include what is relevant. Using an unprofessional email address. Use a simple professional email address based on your name. Now, how to customize your resume for every job. This is one of the most useful tip. Before applying, step 1, read the job description. Step 2, identify the important skills and requirements. Step 3, check which of those skills you genuinely have. Step 4, update your resume to highlight your relevant experience and skills. For example, if a job requires communication plus computer knowledge plus customer handling and you genuinely have these abilities, make sure they are clearly visible in your resume. This makes your application more relevant. Now, final resume checklist. Before sending your resume, please check: is your phone number correct? Is your email address professional? Are there any spelling mistakes? Are your skills genuine? Is the resume relevant to the job? Is the formatting clean? Are the dates and information accurate? Have you saved the correct version? A good practice is to save your resume as a PDF unless the employer specifically asks for the another format. Use a professional file name, for example, your name resume.pdf. If you found this resume writing guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone searching for a job, and subscribe to Career Minds for more job updates, career guidance, work from home opportunities, and interview tips. Also comment below, are you a fresher or do you already have a job experience? Remember, your resume may be your first introduction to an employer, so make it clear, honest, professional, and relevant. Don't just apply for more jobs, apply smarter. Thank you for watching Career Minds. See you in the next video.